come. If you were dead in it, you'll just say, here we come, let's ride.
Here we come.
Here we go, it's time, take what's ours, time to glow and shine. What's ours is ours, it was yours is ours. Brooklyn keep on taking it, we shaking all y'all cowards again.
Here we come.
Here we go, it's time, mount up, it's going down, let's ride.
Yo, new shit, out of the blue, Freddy, you do kick. Black and blue shit, fuck it, just listen to the music and Sean. Once again, back, it's the incredible rap team. Slap steam out your fucking physical frame. Listen, my nigga Ruck is the name. A broke rapper ready to rob niggas, tucking your chain. Rob a nigga for a buckets of change. Play dice with that, doubled up like I don't like rap.
Yeah, son don't get the same 2 fucks I don't get. Other than that, we the complete opposite. High to cold, he high, I'm low down, he fast, I'm slow, or vice versa. Yin and yang, I'm from Atlanta though. No, I'm a New Yorkie and Dr. Kevorkian. Niggas ready to die, stick a fork in them. I got a shot for him without a syringe to walk you up out of your misery quick as you can walk up out of your crib. Monster mangler, madman, manhandle them all, but you motherfuckers with a bad hand wanna see? I will mass transit strike down upon thee with massive vengeance, and ye will know that I am the Lord, rock damn it, the hot-handed. Recognize it whether you can or cannot stand it. My boot camp is the best it's ever to do it. Stupid, when you see it, you better salute it. We stepping through it, here we come, here we come. If you were dead in it, so just say here we come, let's ride. Here we go, it's time, take what's ours, time to glow and shine. What's ours is ours, it was yours is ours. Brooklyn keep on taking it, we shaking all y'all cowards again. Here we go, it's time, mount up, it's going down, let's ride.
Sure, I'm the client, but I'm also the president. And I still rock the resident. Ever since I became an MC, I made change. And ain't shit change, I'm the reason your chick came. Literally and physically, she did it with me. Now she taking C's out my weed. And we get nasty like seasoning food. 24 hours on the grind, we in that mood.
Yeah, for the people, we the chosen few. Worldwide boot camp, clip a whole of views. Peep the symmetry, more than a symphony. Now we song as a documentary. The gods dropped the epilogue for greatness. Took pain off faces, parades on pages. From the block to the cages, you our main inspiration when we rockin' on stages. We came a little ways from beats in the basements. Stick up kids, throw the heat to your faces. And even though we don't be needing them cases, but we stuck on these chases to get these papers. And the system is ancient, we ditching the haters, wishing that our click never make it. But we took it back to the basics, master the matrix, BC crashing the station. Yo, here we come, here we come. Yeah, show off, show off.
Don't give up the good life.
Statik Selektah, what up? Breathe easy, homie. Oh, where you at? It's like a lime to a lemon to a lime, give a nine to a felon. Watch him commit the crime, cause it's hard down here. And bitch, this ain't MTV Cribs, rap news get robbed down here. Your life is a myth, what we live is the truth. And it's a whole different story from what you spit in the booth. Now here's a recap, another back block summary. These young niggas are bloodthirst, sexy and they hungry. But you on the other hand, you big ballin' with your big chips and shit. Nigga, you the man, nobody couldn't tell you nothing. Until you ran into them gun boys, they was clutching. Nigga, you better respect the jokes or get smacked in the head with the pound. Now all you motherfuckers get down, I told them. This ain't a game, homie, you know the game, homie.
From the bottom of my lungs, a nigga be blowing, spitting this game. When I come you from the top, the hate together, I take change. Cooler than most players, never to roll in other cities, trust and live with a morality. Fallacy, whether we speak or fiction. You been up pulling your guards, looking at Jerry Curse, you bitches. Every time I rhyme for y'all, I'm looking to prove a point. Making a freestyle every now and then, but mostly after joint. See, I smoke it, cause see it go good with them flow. Why? The nigga that be out here like Tony Ricks, nobody know why. But me and my folks, these y'all niggas jokes just like the jokers. I'm sick of these whack ass rappers like I'm tired of hoes and chokers. The words that be happening on every occasion. This side niggas just and that side niggas lacing. But in the middle, we stay calm, we just drop bombs. Asking for arms out on the strong.
It's just two dope boys in the cab.
What else do I have for me, sir? A little bit more?
So suck these fish, get up to me. Challenge Andre to a battle.
Line them up there, guys. We're out of here.
38.
You have dinner,
Small room? Yeah, I do. Yeah. All right.
Those hard to penny. They're done. Penetration. What number were you?
38. There it is. Moiste. All the species today. Nice, dude.
Yo, Statik Selektah, AZ the God, Mega, Squad Money.
There it is right there.
Let's have some fun. Smell exotic, cologne in the air. Beach chairs near the grill, still Coronas of beer. Yeah, concealed firearms, groaners is here. Prada Dawn got a closet for colonial appears. Presence, certified, the story is true. I'm from the essence, I speaks from a warrior's view since adolescent. Seen the system slaughter my crew, guess this is destined. My dance dances like Costa Zoo. Did the gelato, aqua blue. Rock spots when Big Pop was unstoppable. From hot blocks to the tropicals, from bullet wounds straight to ICU. Don't even sneeze near me. He ain't a killer, homie, he's scary. Without his crew, the niggas seem leery. Where the vibe at? All the cars and the live cats. You see the squad, niggas slide back. The gun civilized rap. Ratchets blowing, caskets closing. You bastards get rich, it's only half the slogan. It's mastered. Motherfuckers wanna fast me forward. From the streets to the nastiest poet, and y'all know it. Stop fronting when you real. So ill for real. It's mandatory. Self-explanatory. If rhyme is a crime, clearly my bars are serious charges. Essentially, I will lyrically body any who try me. When the streets out, I'm chillin', probably in the villa near palm tree, feeling that corn breeze from off season we livin'. My niggas is old peeps, those who wasn't ain't among us. Stress we don't need, it can affect the whole team. Is driven, we winning and we living our own dream in a city that don't sleep. I was merely a young teen when I entered the drug game. Once plagued, the ghetto was unsafe, cause guns came with the money. Love was strained, the jumps changed. Some of us the with one taste, an appetite for destruction. They clean the whole plate. A pen in my palm allowed me to relocate. Like an assassin, I go in and leave no trace. Love is love, motherfucker, so please don't hate. I keep it real like my niggas in green upstate. Stop frontin' when you real, you real. So ill for real. It's mandatory, self-explanatory. This is it. Yes. Real legendary, real classic. You know what it is. AZ, Mega, the glorious one. Statik Selektah.
38.
This is lyricism, you know what I'm saying? This is real, hip, hop. That's what niggas wanted, man. New York forever. Hoffa.
There it is. We gonna open over? Shit.
Yo, pass the blunt, nigga, man. Fuck. Holding that shit.
Yo, man. Y'all smoke too much, you know? I can't breathe in here.
You gotta be smart.
So you want to get that hook off right there? Whoa.
Yeah.
astrophysical vehicle. Dripping knowledge on wax, it's like we icicles. Perverted in the pyramid, some ride tricycles. We slide with you, ride with you, we can vibe with you. Inspect my lyrical tissue like white blood vessels. Spirituals whistle right through your whistle like a scud missile. Plant my line, synchronized, it be fossilized, alright? Don't pass me a mic, I'm about to get it hype. Spit it right, too precise like it's minute rights. Drama full of drama lords, of scammer with scammer lords. Evil whores on boards, they getting floored. It's Afu-Ra on deck, choke out the overlord.
How we gon' do it, y'all? Get it, please, run up all, do it, y'all. How we see it, fat now we go now, finish like a shot now. Make them know, say, we are the dapper now. Watch it now.
Come to show them massive how we pull it down. No, go tell them say we no work like no Hollywood, no. Mix them up and turn them like curry mutton. Come correct if you gon' say something. Lyrical gun gaga, beg your pardon. Free in your mind, flourish and grow like a garden. And you know that we stay pro-black, making a million. With the gang billion, the upsetters. 3-7s clash, stereo 1. When we pass through, you know we keep the dance strong. From ceiling to floor, the whole place in a uproar. We never take out the door.
How we gon' do it, y'all?
Get the place hotter now.
Run up all, do it, y'all.
It's here hotter now. Now we go now, feeling like no shatter now. When they must sit them, no we are the dapper now.
The essence has a few good men, perverted siblings on tracks again. Steady coming with the flows on rocks, hold your spots. Be holding eyes, why not? You best respect these Mike Titans, sound class assassins that form mountains, shape valleys, ill mentalities. Tonight we killing for free, so keep your salary. The underground railroad constructors, conductors, we take it back, no doubt. Spray it up with facts. Perverted is the mind state. As one, they couldn't contemplate, so we pass race that shake states. Regardless what we make, son, they can't debate. Take a pull off my L, don't mistake it for hate.
How we gon' do it, y'all?
Get the dance hotter now.
Run up all, do it, y'all.
Now we stay fatter now. Now we go now, feeling like no shatter now. Make everyone sit them, so we are the dapper now.
How we gon' do it, y'all?
Get the dance hotter now.
Run up all, do it, y'all.
Now we stay fatter now. Now we go now, feeling like no shatter now.